people tag it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very requested video, and this is my everyday makeup tutorial or everyday makeup routine. This is literally what I do every day. Well, I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do wear makeup, like when I'm working or when I'm going out to see my friends, this is always what I do, just because it's so quick and simple and easy, but it still makes me feel really confident, and yeah, I really like it. So if you do want to check that out, stay tuned. But yeah, if you aren't already subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload. And I haven't done a makeup routine or a makeup tutorial in a long time, so if you guys want to see more makeup videos from me, leave a comment down below and I will, and also give this video a thumbs up so I know. So yeah, with all of that said, let's just hop right into the video. So I'm actually getting ready for work today, as I told you, but this is just something, this makeup look I'll do like every day. Like if I'm going out to meet my friends, I'll do this like whenever I'm putting makeup on for an everyday basis. If it's not a party or something more special, then I will do this because it's just so quick and easy, and it still makes me feel confident and like comfortable with showing myself to a lot of people, because as you guys probably know, I feel like I've talked about this in every single video recently, like I'm boring you, but as you know, I work at McDonald's, and then you meet an awful lot of people, and I don't know, it just makes working a lot more bearable if you feel comfortable with how you look, because you're meeting so many people. So I'm using my Professional primer right now because I do have quite a lot of pores, and it just makes a nice foundation for the BB cream that I put on. As you guys probably know, I never usually use foundation or BB cream. I always used to use just concealer, but my skin has been so bad recently that I just feel like if I don't use foundation, I'm just going to be putting concealer all over my face, and then I might as well just use a BB cream or something. So by the way, I'm sick, so that's why my voice is like really croaky. And yeah, I'm not going to make this like a really long chit chat, get ready with me. I just want to like show you guys how I do my makeup, like everyday makeup routine. So now we're moving on to a product that I don't really want to show you which one I use because it's not cruelty free. I need to get myself a cruelty free BB cream. I don't have any cruelty free like BB creams or foundations, just because, as I said, I don't really use foundation or BB cream. But if you have any recommendations, please do let me know, because I hate the feeling of caking my face. So that's why I'm using a BB cream. It feels so much better. So yeah, I feel really pale as well now. I kind of want to fake tan. Yeah, my skin's been really bad recently, so sorry about that. Also, I know that a few of you have kind of like missed my makeup videos, which is like, I don't know, I'm not really that good at makeup, but I kind of want to get back into doing a few makeup videos now for the fall. So if you want that, then give this video a thumbs up and definitely let me know. Now I'm actually going to try a new product out. I'm obsessed with Glossier. They haven't sponsored me or anything, so please Glossier sponsor me. But I ordered the Glossier Wowder. Never tried it. Still in its packaging, so I'm really excited. I got it in light. Oh, it looks so cute. I just love their packaging. Glossier is like my favorite brand ever. Oh, okay. Alright. That's done. I'm using this brush and it's from Vanity Planet, I think. So I'm just going to tap my brush in here and then gently tap it off its head. And I just use this to like, no, I'm not supposed to use powder now. I'm so stupid. I always forget this. Like when I use BB cream, I always forget that I need to use concealer as well, because I'm not used to doing 2 steps before my powder. So the concealer I've been using recently is this one from H&M, and it's called Cover Up Concealer in Vanilla, and I actually really like it. It's really creamy, easy to apply, easy to blend. So I'm just going in with this under my eyes and then going over any spots that I want to cover extra, which is quite a few, as you can see. And now I just use my fingers to blend it in because I feel like that's easier. Now I'm going to use the Wowder just to set my concealer so it doesn't crease or budge throughout the day, because I am going to be wearing this makeup for quite a few hours. Okay, I like the look of it. It looks matte, but it still doesn't look cakey or too dry at all. So my next step is bronzer, and I just used the bronzer from the balm called Bahama Mama, and I just put this on my cheekbones just to kind of define my face, warm it up, and make it look like I have a little bit more colour to my face. And the powder I've been using recently, the blush I've been using recently is from my e.l.f. Total Face palette. I used to use this all the time. I have like periods with blush. For one period I was always using my Cloud Paint. The reason why I'm not using it anymore is because I feel like it takes a little bit longer to apply because you need to like pat it in and get the right amount. So I'm just using this powder down here. It's like a peachy colour. I really enjoy this. So now it's time for highlight, and for highlight I just use my Halo Scope in Moonstone from Glossier. Yeah, I feel like this is almost like a full face of Glossier.
I'm sorry.
So I just put it on my finger like that, and then I just pat a little bit on my cheekbone. I just think it gives such a lovely glow. So now I'm just going to apply my Glossier Birthday Balm. It just smells amazing. It's got a little bit of glitter on it, and it just moisturizes my lips. I should have done this in the beginning. And for brows, shocker, I'm using Glossier's Boy Brow. I actually feel really bad, like you guys are probably gonna hate me now, but I love it. It's just so quick and easy, and it's what I use, and you wanted to see my everyday makeup routine, and this is it.
Wishing I ain't had no pants on me.
The next step in my makeup routine is to apply like a bronzy, orangey, warm toned shadow just to my eyes. So either I use my Bahama Mama or I just use a shade from my Modern Renaissance palette. It depends on how much or little time I have, but I'm just going to use my Bahama Mama bronzer. So my memory card ran out of memory, but what I was saying was I just applied a little bit to the outer corner and then started working it into the crease and just like blending it out kind of. And then I'm also going to apply to my lower lash line. And I'm also going to use this side of the brush and just apply a little bit under my lash line just to even it out. And now it's time to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and yes, I'm using my Glossier Lash Lick Mascara. Best mascara I've ever used. That is that done, and normally sometimes if I'm going out to town or you know when I feel like it, I'll put a lip product on, and I'm just going to show you what I normally would do, but I don't always wear lip products just because I think it's kind of annoying and it kind of makes your lips dry, so just when I feel like it I do this. So first of all, I'd normally go in with this lip liner in Toast, and this is from Barry M, so it's really cheap, and then I'll go over it with like a buxom lip crayon, or I might even use this as a lip liner, it depends on the day, but this is in the shade Stealth and I really like this colour. And then I'll normally go either over with a buxom lip gloss, like a light coloured one, but I can't find my light coloured one. No, I found it, and this is in the shade Blushing Margarita, and I really love this. This is like probably my most used lip gloss ever. It's a tiny bit plumping as well, which is really cool.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the...
So this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it, and it's really quick, simple and easy, and just looks natural and makes me feel confident, so I really like doing this on an everyday basis. I don't wear makeup every day obviously, but whenever I am doing something and I feel like I want to put makeup on, this is what I will do. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to buy my merch. I have merch out, which is really exciting, and I love it when you guys send me pictures of you wearing it, because so yeah, if you do buy anything, definitely send me a picture and I will shout you out on my Instagram story. So I'll have a link to that below. Follow my socials if you aren't already, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Also, here are the shout outs for today's video. I always read your comments and they make my day, so thank you so much. Bye.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another option.